Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the Merciful and the Mighty. I welcome you all to Grade 10 Chemistry. It is our sixth lesson and the topic is equilibrium constant. Before moving forward, let's have a recap of the previous lesson. Previously, we discussed equilibrium constant and its representation. Objective of today's lesson is to understand more about equilibrium constant and its unit. Let's come to the topic equilibrium constant. We define equilibrium constant as a ratio between the product of active masses of product and reactant which are present in a chemical reaction. It is represented by capital K and small c. The general formula for equilibrium constant is written as below. Kc is equal to product divided by reactant. So we can say that for equilibrium constant, product are placed at numerator whereas reactant are at the denominator. For equilibrium constant and its unit, it should be keep in mind that it is the expression which is dependent on the quantity of reactant and product, which we call mole, and the pressure. There are certain cases for the expression of equilibrium constant. In first case, we should look around for the number of moles of reactant and product, whether they are equal or there is a difference between them. If the number of reactant and product which are in moles form, simply we call it moles of reactant and moles of product. If they are same in number, so the Kc value will have no unit. For example, we have a chemical reaction, that of hydrogen iodide. In this reaction, we have reactant hydrogen and iodine which are 1 mole each, whereas the product produced hydrogen iodide is also 2 mole. So we can write Kc for this reaction as the product hydrogen iodide, which is kept at numerator, 2 moles of hydrogen iodide divided by 1 mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of iodine. The unit of Kc for this expression is written as mole of product, which are 2 moles of hydrogen iodide divided by 1 mole of hydrogen and 1 mole of iodine each. So in numerator we have 2 mole as well as in denominator we have 2 mole. So the net unit is not present in this expression. We can say that in some reaction, when the number of moles of product is equal to that of moles of reactant, so we will use no unit as the number of mole are equal. In second case, we will look on the number of moles of product. If the number of product is greater than the number of moles of reactant, then the equilibrium constant Kc will have unit in a balanced reaction. For example, in this reaction, nitrogen tetroxide react to form nitrogen dioxide. Unit of Kc for this expression, in product we have 2 mole of nitrogen and oxygen, whereas in the reactant side we have 1 mole of nitrogen and oxygen. So unit of Kc for this expression is, in product we have 2 mole, so in numerator mole per decimeter cube has a power of 2, which expresses 2 moles of nitrogen dioxide. divided by 1 mole of nitrogen tetroxide. So the expression of Kc in this reaction is mole per decimeter cube, because in numerator we have 2 mole and denominator we have 1 mole. During a chemical reaction, if the total number of mole produced is greater, so we will have a unit for this expression. In case number 3, if the number of moles of product is less than the number of reactant, then the Kc will have a unit, as it was in case number 2. For example, we have a reaction which is the production of ammonia gas. In this reaction, the reacting element nitrogen and hydrogen sum up to 4 mole, whereas the product produced ammonia gas comprises of 2 mole. So Kc value for this reaction is written as product ammonia, which is in 2 mole form, divided by the reactant nitrogen and hydrogen 1 plus 3 mole each. So we can write Kc for this expression as mole of product mole per decimeter cube, which are 2 in number, divided by 1 mole of nitrogen and 2 mole of hydrogen. So we write the expression for this equation as under. In this case, the total moles of product is not equal to the total number of moles of reactant, so we have a unit for this expression. Goodbye. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.